this is not sponsored. I actually bought this and she needs a bath. So what do you say we give her a bath, see if this thing actually works, because if it does, it is genius. Let's give it a shot, see how it goes.